I am 7 years old and today I'm going to teach you about some vehicles. I'm going to teach you about the Aston Martins and the Bentleys. This is a game called Real Racing 3 where they know a lot about real cars. First we're going to learn about the Aston Martin. This is the Aston Martin DB9, 184 miles per hour. It speeds up to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.5 seconds. And I'll show you around. So these and these are the hubcaps, and they make the car look better. And the lights here, these are lights, but you can get all sorts of shapes of the lights, and these are the brake lights, these thingies, these and that and that. Let's see if, and the window wipers here on the back. This is like a special car. I forgot what they are named, as don't have them. So that was our first Aston Martin. Our second one is the Aston Martin Vanquish, and that is the same speed as the first one, the first one that we looked, and it speeds up to 100 kilometers in 4 seconds. And let's have a look around. So these are the same shaped hubcaps, and these brake lights look different, and this is the spoiler. Let's see if I can find anything else. This is called the bumper, and even you have one at the back here. So hope you enjoy this. So have a look at different ones, maybe. Okay, just bye for now. Hey, and say hello to my mum.